Hi guys, I'm Dr. Samuel Varakumar from Sigma-HSE India. Here is our process safety laboratory. So we'll have a look at our laboratory. We have another equipment here. This is called as minimum ignition temperature. You have a control box here where you can vary the temperatures, and here is the furnace. This is called as Gobert-Greenwald furnace, and you have the mirror there to see the amount of flame, whether it's small, medium or large. And you have a glass tube there connected to the pressure line, where in the middle you have a facility of having the sample placed there, and here a pressure line is connected with the air, and at certain amount of pressure varying from 0.3 bars to 0.6 bars, when the pressure is given and the sample gets dispersed in the air, and when it enters into the furnace, because of the surface, hot surface, the material which is dispersed inside the furnace gets ignited, and it will create flame either into small, medium or large. And this particular instrument determines the minimum ignition temperature of a particular material which is flammable. And if you attain a temperature where a material is flammable, and you need to do 10 experiments below or above to determine the minimum ignition temperature, the particle ignition temperature. So in other words, like for powders, the minimum ignition temperature is called as auto ignition temperature with respect to solid powders. So here we are going to perform the experiment having my gloves on and mask on. Here you can see the temperature is around 419 degrees C, and now the sample is placed in the sample chamber, and pressure is in the pressure line around 0.3 bars. Now we are going to ignite the material and we'll see whether it is flammable or not. Hope you guys had a good visit at our flammability testing laboratory. If you have any queries, you can write to us on this email ID, and as well as you can text us on these WhatsApp numbers. And we are good at giving consultancy and training with respect to hazard, HAZIP, SIL, LOPA, hazardous area classification, and as well as quantitative risk assessment. And you guys can write to us with respect to audits, safety audit, electrical audits and fire safety audits. Thank you.